The question was asked, how much air pressure should I put in my tires? Well, that's a very good question because there's really not a lot of data that actually tell you specifically what you should do. For instance, if you look at Can-Am, on the placard on your bike, it actually tells you that the front tires have about 25 pounds of pressure in there and the back tire about 28. But it also tells you in that same owner's manual to refer to the manufacturer for the tires with the specs. In this case, my bike has Kenda tires on it. So the tires here, front and rear, says increase your air pressure no more than 44 pounds of pressure. So that gives you a pretty big range, doesn't it? 25 on the front to 44 or 28 on the back to 44. That's a big range of air pressure. So how do you know what you should put in your tires? Well, I would say start with the placard. If the placard says put 25 pounds on the front end, I recommend doing that. And then put 28 on the back end. But up to 44 pounds of pressure is adding more air pressure to support additional weight. Whether you're towing something, have a passenger on the back, or cargo, it allows you to support the additional weight that you put on your bike. You may want to add a couple more pounds of pressure to the front and rear wheels for better distribution so those tires will maintain flat on the road to give you good performance. So the true answer is it really depends on you, the bike, and what you're hauling.